And because ya national youth service haikupatikana, we had to take buses from matatu industry. Lakini OCPD Naivasha has been a problem to us. Ameshika hizo gari zote, ametoa number plates, na anajua zinakuja mazishi ya Mama Ngaruiya. Gari zipeana na serikali, na hiyo serikali pia ishike. Amesumbua hawa watu for 3 hours, ndio wanafika sasa. And we are not sure watapitia wapi kurudi. Simply because hizi matatu si za route ya Nakuru, si za route ya Naivasha. But they were given from these drivers you see na magari ya Dadora, Kayole, Mheshimiwa Gashofe na Mheshimiwa Wangari kwako na Gilgil, si haiko biashara kwa route zenyu. Haiko biashara in your constituencies. Haiko biashara in your county. Kindly give those drivers peace, warudishe watu nyumbani. Na waomba tu kwa heshima. Talk to the county commissioner, ambia huyo jamaa awe tu mpole. Awe tu mpole. Huyo OCPD Naivasha should not be a problem. Tunaheshimu jeshi letu la polisi sana, but it's good to be considerate. Hatakuwa ofisa wa polisi, just be considerate. Sio fujo tena sana. Si tunapeleka hiki tu pole. Wana watu wanaenda mazishi, why it be so hard? Kwani ni nini imebeba, ni bangi? Hapana, hiyo ni rafiki yetu, ni rafiki yangu, lakini hapo that's not way to go. Kindly address it now before you even come for tribute. Tuwe tukijua our drivers from Kayore, from Dadora will get back safe. Yes, it should be. Na wajua hawako biashara, they are here almost for free. Maana ona maundu mangi makira na irwo ni ateti na no timothe mahingaga kogo na matatu tutuikan anyway. Digo kiaria muno, but make sure at those ni megushoka safe. Mheshimiwa Kuria na murata wakwa nitutindikanaga nituchongwanaga ona ne ugire maundu maranjaragia mageti gugo. Otherwise mimi nataka kuleta mtu mwingine, lakini kwanza niseme tuena Mathiko ma free reader Saturday etora moyo nyitani rwanyu ni mwini witu mwitekira ugo tukete tugathie gatundu kora kwa MK wa Karango tumagari free reader etagwo Diki wa Munyonyi. Tuena mundu witagwo Joel thaici twi haha niwe wambite hamaici na araruta wira uyu murwanyine moshari murwanyina kwire Joel eguku gwa global event na danatiga kwa bahama uyu wi haha just wave turarikia haha tuthiko Tuesday mioro kagema wira turaruta my mother ara ena thiko ithatu kuma my ICU ward thaici, but we are here gokwiro kana kurwaria is not an excuse for service to humanity. I have confirmed it by this man at the Egoko. I have confirmed it by Ngaruiya that he could still come to see my mom in ICU, Nyina moshari. I have seen people just offering themselves to serve without an excuse. Kindly, adoito to na excuse. Ado makomete mebere ito. Na riarwaru, we have to hold them. Itekania inani na Munyoni na guoko, especially the industry. Amemerekia ito, ado media all the aini. Ati nitoko kora hamwe guthika free reader na guthika brother Joel. Na nitoko igira group show with the little we have media show there nitoko kugereria ndocio tomatome na giteo. And also remember me in prayers. Thank for those who have stood with me. Bills, my mom. May God bless you. You know, I know you know how much I love my mother Dorcas. I know you know how much. And so godaga kugo ugotu Ngaruiya mamu wanyu agithie utuko shahurukire we ni ndagitari gashunji ni atengerire muno kugeria kuri start mukuru riu twi tribute ine na ni ageririe muno kumucokia muoyo riria twikire ni agutwikana, but when she could not do it anymore she gerire rire ndagitari na ndirikanirie ngwire augire were Ngaruiya guciara tikomia. That's the word, guciara tikomia. That's what the mom taught you. You may understand very well nikiaminaga aisha kiuga were moni adhere kafurana ni ndimurire na kafurana ithanduku, so I'm happy for that. All that doctor told me, Dr. Gachunje, to remind you, she was so happy with you. She was so jovial with you. She was so proud of you. Na guciara tikomia na kugatiriri o nawe ndokomia ni guciara. Allow me to bring forth Reverend Sir Okatu. Just do that for me. Do the rest for me. Archbishop our Papa has given you like 27 minutes. Like 27. Shadi muno 29. Ore kihorosho egetha tuthitweke misa ya wafu. Asante.
Rekaito horire Bishop Mark Bishop Zuruvirwega. Rekaito horire ido cisharutwo. Nego request one of the bishops here utarutite wira itikira ndungata uhoere muhothi uyu.
Kaituhoe twakugatha mwathani tono tuheaga indo cia gutungata thiini wa wira waku twagucokeria ngatho ni undu wa andu aku metikira kuheana kigongona-ini na ithuĩ Ngai ni tukwenda kuhoya witikire kumarathima na kumatamburukiria guoko gwaku twaciamukira Ngai na twatikia ni kuruta wira mwega wa gukugocithia tugithii na mbere Ngai tikira guikarania hamwe na ithuĩ tondu wi mwihokeku na wi mutugi thiini wa ritwa ria Ngai Ithe Mũriũ ona Roho Mũtheru. Amen.
Thank you. Ushers, now you can leave. Citware hara hagirire. Ndagika icio twaheo ni Archbishop in our program ni tugucigayana na ikundi ithatu cia andu na ni tugucihuthira kwagirire. One, ni kwenda ku recognize a lot of effort imeketwo ni andu different gutigira igongona riri twike successful. People who have sat down, people who have planned, people who have contributed. We appreciate you. You are all of you are here. Na no turemo ni kumuhe opportunity, but ni kuri andu mekurugama ithenya-ini rianyu. Tukuriga wao ni tukugia na tributes cia family right now. Twarikia uguo aini meguku na megutongorio ni my chairman wa Daisy na Karango wa Muraya. Turugame tuine rwimbo rumwe o rumwe tu tondu tihota kuhe o mundu. Then Mike Gitone, all the way from the State House, is here, will handle the leader's part. Na wisdom yake, then we'll go back to Archbishop. Nguria family ya Archbishop Ngaruiya Senior metikire kuka haha na gwenda moke mari othe mathome tribute ciao to ni nguhi. Nguria daddy itikira guka tondu yaku ni wetongoretie. Joseph Okai, Monica, Lucy, Wajiko, Ngari, Brian, Ngaruiya Junior na tukurigia na Hana ekuria Germany iguthoma kugera mitambo-ini. God bless you. Ukayo haha murugame thutha wa your dad as you present your tributes. Karibu sana askofu. Tunaanza na yako alafu tuende kwa ya watoto.